Kingsley,
you will finish what you started, because I told you at the onset, if you can't do it,
I swear
let me
upon
get
that
another
even...
person to do it. And you said, in fact, you gave me your words that you're the best. For someone that even introduced it to me, told me that you're the best for the job. So except you're telling me that the person was wrong, telling me that you're the best for the job.
If you are good enough, you're going to give me my money. If you don't want to give me my money, it's okay. I'll quit.
I'll triple your money.
I'm telling you right now,
I'll triple your money for you.
I quit the job.
I'll triple the money.
I don't want.
I'll triple the money.
I don't want.
The next time.
Jangu. Nkumi ttaano, kakaaga, kasanvu, kanaana, kenda, mutwalo. Gumu lukumi, gumu bbiri, gumu ssatu, gumu nnya, gumu ttaano. Ndaba oba siraba?
Buli kimu kiba ne protocol. Okiwulira? Don't you have any professionalism in your work? Tobana mukubiri.
Kanfune nessimu. Posi nato jokobidde. Kanfune essimu, it's okay. Bwe yagadde kubira police. Anti kanfune.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Kabira. How are you, Rebecca?
Rebecca, how are you? Why you are calling another number? Sometime I'm not doing pick up the number.
I'm sorry. I was supposed to call with my number, but this is also my other number.
It's okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Tell me.
You are okay?
I'm okay, alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay. I want to see you. Is it possible if I can see you? I have some issue here. There is someone who is disturbing me on media. I wanted to talk to you about this one.
When now?
Not now, but you can tell me. I am with her, but you can tell me if you are free. I can look for you. You know, sitting here, I'm respecting you.
I know.
I can even pour this on you.
And I will accept it, because he did that. I will accept it. Out of love, I have to. Love bears all things. Love tolerates all things. Love takes all things. I'm not giving up. And we don't give up also. We'll go for what we want. Please.
Okay, give me time.
We're all adults. Please accept this. Please.
I'm not
okay,
interested.
Nyondo Media.
Ekizigo ekigoba binnamakula ebizimba byonna ebikuli ku mubiri ng'owulira tobyetaaga kikino Nyondo Glim ekizigo mbagambye ekizigo ekigoba namakula ebiguuna byonna ebizimba ebikuli ku mubiri kikino Nyondo ani atamanyi Nyondo Media dokera wefunire ekizigo lemuleke okugoba abaami mu mayumba muleke okutugoba bannange nzija okukimira mu omukyala muletera ekizigo ekyange ewa Nyondo Media oba Nyondo contacting ku namba noti 524 6 8 noti 778 eyo enamba gi contacting wefunire ekizigo ekinakunyiriza ekinakumira ku mutindo asigadde tubo Urban Voice DXB tweyanziza nnyo.
Abaganda balina engero zaabwe bagera ate ne batuukiriza kati nga bwe yagera n'agamba nti ebidiba biddira nnyini byo namaana agera n'agamba nti entubiro etaakumire tegezanga nekukwasa mu nkanaga oba ku nkanaga ekijja omanyi kinyaga bitono eno ndi mulwadde Rozet mbonye naye nga muli mutya abasanyufu olw'okuba nakubwa muli mutya mugamba ki ne bali abagamba tewandika sonyiye kagende kavundire mu kkomera mugamba mutya namwe abagamba nti bannange mu musonyiwe Rozet muli mutya n'abagamba nti bannange Rozet munnange kyusaamu era munnange olina kukyusaamu mwe musinga mu kintu kino mugamba ki n'abagamba okikola bubi tomanyi kukikola, that's not how they do things, you have to copy the other person, be like her. Mugamba ki ebiddira nnyini byo nabadde nyina okwarranginga Kingsley abadde bize wiiki eno yonna abadde bize naye nadde nyina okwarranginga nkwate ebintu bye mbimuddize mu kamera saagala ate omuntu ayinza okubeera eyo nga naye yali badde client waffe n'agamba Rozet omuwe ebintu ne bigaanibwa abyeddiza abitwala ebintu byange njagala nnyo bitambulire mu kamera yensonga lwaki nti n'ebintu ebimu nga biswaza ba directors babiteekayo ne bagamba abantu kabalabe what happened okitegeera so kyenyinza obbagamba nti tuzeko wano eno Uganda ka restaurant kalungi omuntu otulako n'obeerawo n'owujjaala waliwo akawewo akalungi n'otumya akamere olya kamere nasoose kulya naye nga nina program ya Kingsley ndabe nga muddiza ebintu bye bino era anytime from now tugenda kuba nga tumu expectinga n'ekinyinza obagamba nga nze omuntu ninamu obuvune ndi mulwadde Volvate yankuba mu kifuba yankuba ku mutwe yanfulumya n'amabeere taswala omutwe gunnuma ekifuba kinnuma omubiri gwonna okutwaliza wamu gunnuma enviiri omutwe yakunyula zinnuma dia waliwo akonkona mpuliddeko akonkona wabweru maybe egaye gwene mukulinda anza okuba yiye Kingsley naye mu byonna nagezezaako ogwange kamuddiza ebintu bye njagala sente zibale nga muziraba kubanga nziina njagala cheke njimuwe njagala buli kimu Mr. Kingsley you're most welcome.
Thank you.
I'm fine. Have a seat.
Thank you.
You can come around here maybe. I am seated here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Are you comfortable there?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Never did. Ebipande nga temwabinyweza.
Yeah, it's okay.
Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. Yani, dear, but give it to her. They should take their thing, maybe. They just put it there for design, but it is not making you comfortable.
Yeah. I'm fine now.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm good.
How is life?
Life is okay. Life is good. But life would have been more better.
Don't go there.
Yeah.
Don't go there.
So
I'm
right
not
now,
ready to go there right
yeah,
now.
absolutely.
I started this thing in a camera.
Okay.
I wanted to finish it in camera because as we Nyondo Media, we have so many followers and they would like to know each step. Okay? So we're going to share this together.
All right.
Because this one is a bit down. Maybe I can give it to you, I can be a bit loud. Let me get closer a bit. The reason that's why I'm seated like this, I don't feel okay. My body is paining. I have headache. My chest is paining. The whole body is paining. I am not doing okay. I am not fine. I will tell you the truth. I am not fine at all. That's why I decided to call you here. This is a Ugandan place. They're having some food. They have some drinks. If you'd like to order something, I can tell her to bring for you.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. Now, I showed you everything. You saw it very well. That day, I met her at the beach. She was with her kids. I don't know whether it is her true kids or she was pretending. I really don't know the truth. I don't know that she has kids or what. I don't know. But she said it is her kids. When I took these things, she said, okay, you want me to take, you saw everything, but I'm trying to translate for you simply because she was speaking in Luganda, in our language. We are talking in our language. So she asked, what do you want? I told her all I need is to accept my boss's gifts. That's what I need, nothing else. She replied, oh, so this is what you want? I told her yes. She picked them from me. She threw them in water. I ran and brought them back. She came back to me and she was trying to get them back from me so that she can throw them very far. Then from there we started fighting. I showed you everything. Only that some clips would not put them there because they were harassing. You know, time came, all these ones were outside. So when the producer was editing, the editor, when he was editing, he tried to cut those bad parts because she gave me nicely.
Jangu.
She gave me nicely. I'm telling you, until now, I am not okay. When I came back home, I had to go to hospital. I showed you each and everything. So I don't want you to say that I did not try my best. Sometimes I sit at home and I'm asking myself, for Volvate to beat me to that extent, did I do? Was that ready? Was it too bad? Did I deserve all the beatings to that extent? I am still asking myself. And I was wondering, in case she put me in water and maybe my life is no more, I have a kid to take care of, and the way she insulted me, I have a kid. That's why I told you before. I asked you, how do you see if we can switch to another lady? Because her first expression in the first video narrated everything clear. That's why I was suggesting to have you another girl, but you insisted. I, being that person who does not want to fail, I tried my best, and what she did was murder.
Let me come in now. Quite okay, you tried your best, but your best wasn't good enough. Okay, you tried, but to me, it wasn't good enough. And in where I come from, especially with the Igbos,
Mr. Kingsley,
we don't
if
be,
you say I did not do
in
enough,
our dictionary, we don't have
if
impossible
you
in
say
our
I
dictionary.
did not do enough, what did you want me to do?
Like I said, you tried
What
your
did you want me
best.
to do?
You tried your
Which
best,
best are you trying to say?
but it wasn't
Do
good
you want
enough.
her to kill me? What do you want me to do?
Can you calm down?
I don't understand.
Calm down.
You saw everything that happened.
Let's
Still you're saying I
take
don't
it.
do my best.
Let's take it gradually. First of all, for the
Actually, I
money,
don't want to go high because you're
calm
my
down.
boss.
Calm down.
But I don't want you to say
Calm down.
I didn't try my best, because I tried my best. I don't know what
I
you wanted me
said
to
you
do.
tried your best, but your best wasn't good enough. That was my comment. Then, let's take one after the other. First, your bills for the hospitals. I will take care of it. No matter the amount you spent, I will pay for it. it's not going to be an issue. Then, another thing again, I'm not giving up. That's number one. Two, in where I come from, we don't believe in impossibility. And we'll go for what we want and we'll get what we want. So no matter what it takes to get her, I'm ready to play
Not
the
with
boss.
Me, not with me again.
You
not
will
with
finish
me
what
again.
you started, because I told you at the onset, if you can't do it,
I swear
let me
upon
get
the
another
living-
person to do it. And you said, in fact, you gave me your words that you're the best. For someone that even introduced it to me, told me that you're the best for the job. So except you're telling me that the person was wrong, telling me that you're the best for the job. Up to you. Are you trying to prove the person wrong?
I'm not trying to prove the person.
Now, what I
wrong.
think we should talk about now is the best way to let her understand that
I am not going back, Mr.
You
Kingsley.
go back
If you
and do
say,
it. You must
I
go.
swear upon the living God. I swear upon the living God, Mr. Kingsley, I am not going back to Madam Volvate. I should call her even Mr. Volvate. I am not going back to her.
My dear.
I am not going back that God. Yes, I am not going back, my dear. I swear upon the living God.
you
I
have to
love
go.
money. I want money. If you don't pay me, it's okay. But I'm not going back that
Whatever
woman.
you agreed upon.
I don't know whether you want to see me dead. I don't
You
know
will
what
never
you really
die.
want from I
Nothing
swear
will
upon the
okay.
Mr. Kings. I swear upon the
You know
living
what?
God.
You know what?
I will
I'll make you an
not
offer.
go back to this Mr. King.
I'll
to
make you
this
an
Mr.
offer.
Volvate. I'm not going back to her.
I'll make you an offer. Okay.
I don't
Whatever
want to
whatever
say
I
finally,
promised
don't
you
want
to whatever I promised
The
to
reason
give
as to
you.
why I called you here is to give you back your
Can you
things.
listen to me for 1
So,
minute?
if you are good enough, you're going to give me my money. If you don't want to give me my money, it's okay. I'll quit.
I'll triple
And
your
as
money.
I'm telling you right
I'll
now,
triple your money for
I
you.
quit the job.
I'll triple the money.
I don't want.
I'll triple the money.
I don't
then,
want.
The next time you visit her, I'll give you a security guard to go with you. How about that? I'll personally give you a security guard to go with you. 2 security guards to protect you. And I don't see her to be that way. Maybe something happened, or maybe she might not be in her best mood when you visited her. I'm not giving up. And I will never give up. No matter what it takes to get her, I am ready to do it. I don't want another lady. I told you before, I've seen a lot of ladies. I can get any lady I want, but my mind is made for her. That lady has a special place in my heart. That lady has a soft place in my heart. That lady means a lot to me. I don't care how you do it, but all I want is Volvate. Her or no other person.
Okay, Mr. Kingsley.
Yeah.
I give up.
You give up? In that
If
case,
it is all about
in that case,
proving
so
that
the
person
person that introduced it to me wasn't sure.
okay, now I prove her wrong.
No, you don't.
I give up.
You give up.
I swear upon the living God. I am not going back to Volvate.
You have to go back.
It's okay, you go to another
No.
person else.
No,
I
you have
don't
to go
care.
back.
I am not going back.
For this gift, I'm not taking it.
But why do you force me? Why do you love forcing something?
For this
And
gift,
if
I'm not
she
taking
says she
it.
does not like you, she doesn't love you.
You have
Why
to,
do you have to force
see,
it?
you know, sometimes
See the amount of money you showed that you're going to buy for her house, and she does not like it.
Listen
She
to-
doesn't want it.
listen to me. You know, ladies, you're a lady. Sometimes it can be tough. I think she's trying to try my patience to know if I really do love her. So you have to go back there, give her one more chance. I'm convinced within me she will accept. I am convinced. I have this conviction in me.
Okay, you know, I always know that it is not always good to give up. It is not good to quit when you're not done.
Have you been in love before?
I'm in love already.
You're in love already, right?
Yes.
Can you let that person go because the person is being stubborn?
Of course, I cannot leave that person go, but
You
I will not involve
Then
some person.
do you expect me to leave her now?
So it's like you're involving me in nothing.
Because I
How
felt.
do you see if you do it yourself, Mr.
I
Kingsley?
felt.
Because I'm telling you, I'm not going back to her.
You have to go back to her.
I am not going back to her.
You have to. Like I promised you earlier on, I'm giving you a security guard to go with.
Now
you.
this is your problem because you love forcing things, Mr. Kingsley.
Not about forcing
you
things
have
because
money,
I believe I can get
you
what I
love
want.
forcing things.
No, far from that.
And let
This
me tell you
lady-
something.
This lady is. I think
What you
about her.
know-
If I'm sleeping,
no, what
I'm
you
thinking
know-
about her.
What you
I'm
know is
doing anything.
Let me tell
Her
you
memory
something,
is
Mr.
feeding my
Kingsley.
brain.
Mr.
I can't do.
Kingsley.
I can't even focus.
I remember that statement that you did last time. You said, if you have money, you cannot fail to have what you want.
Yeah.
But in life, it is not all about money. It is not all about money.
Life is all about money.
It's not all about
Nah.
money, my dear.
Life is all about money.
And maybe you've been meeting other ladies, other Ugandan ladies, and you saw how soft they are. But Volvate is something else. You can't move
And that's
her
why I
with money.
love her.
You can't move
And
her
that
with
is
money.
why that's why I love her. I love a woman that is
So
tough.
if you don't quit me, I'm quitting.
No, you
job.
can't quit now.
So
You
are
can't-
you forcing me?
You can't play with my emotions.
So are you no? Are you
No, you
forcing
can't.
me to go back to her?
Yes, you have to.
No, I don't have.
No, you have to.
I want to go
no,
back to her.
you have to.
Don't force me. It's not
No.
by force.
See,
Okay,
I'm
first
paying
money,
for this.
Yes, the first
Okay.
money
Now,
you gave
I'm
me
telling
was
you
for
now.
the other job.
Okay.
Okay. And then the second time you did not pay me. I came for my payment and bring these things back to you. Okay. Now, if you don't want to give me for the second time, it's okay. But
You know
don't
what?
force me back to her.
I can
swear upon the living
I
God.
can transfer your money right now.
No. If
I can
you're
make it
sending me back to
3.
her, I don't need any money.
I'll triple the money
I
right
got
now.
enough from her. I don't want her anymore. I don't want to go to her anymore.
I can triple the
I'm
money right
telling
now.
you. I don't want to know.
I can make transfer to you right now. You want check? Or you want transfer?
Are you
You
paying
want
me for
cash?
this? Are you paying me for this second time, or you want to pay me for another time that I should go to her?
Second time and the subsequent time you have to go to her.
What I'm suggesting is, Mr. Kingsley.
I'm not taking this, okay? I'm not taking this.
Then I'll take it.
You will take it.
I'll take it myself.
Sorry. You will take it by yourself?
Yes.
I don't have an issue, but
So
make sure.
if you don't want to take these things back, my followers are already saying I brought these things back. I want you to count your money because it is there. Me, I don't take something which does not belong to me. So here is your money. Count and
Put that money back and send it back to Volvate. She will accept.
Do you know what? I'm going to leave these things here.
No, you can't. You did not
So
try
what are you
it.
going to do, Mr. Kingsley?
I won't do anything. I won't harm you. Okay, I'm a very calm person. But then
Then why do you force me?
I'm not forcing you. But this is
Didn't you see what
this
she
is
did
this
to
is
me?
this is my
Didn't you
happiness.
see?
If I'm your brother, will you back out?
But you're not
No.
my brother. You're not my brother.
Fine and okay. But now we're like business partners. So you have to do it to make me happy.
So when I say I would like to quit, do you force me? No, you're not
No,
supposed
you
to.
don't, no,
you're not
I'm not
supposed to
forcing
force
you,
me.
but you have to do it. Okay, let me make an offer. Let me make an offer. Get this lady for me. Get this lady for me. Get this lady for me. Get this. Please calm down.
omuntu omulimu gubaganyugera kumulemera ku kaka bukasi banange mutuveeko mbulekwa muli bakisimaya muli babogo nedda mukwano si bwe kirina okubeera kumpaka nga bwe yesiba ku Volvate kumpaka nagenda kugenda kumpaka genda kola kumpaka nedda mukwano ate Volvate yakulaze nti si kilasi yo ate naba nakikulaga nti siye muntu wakuzanyirako.
Calm down.
nze togenda kummanyira mukwano mukumpaka.
I'll triple your money.
I don't want more money.
I'll,
Let me use this thing. I don't need your money. I don't need your money. If you're paying me for the other time, for that
I will pay
for
for
that job
everything.
which I did, give me the money. If you
wanna-
want to give me the money, it's okay. But I'm not
I want to
going
make
back
an
to
offer. I want to
Volvate.
make an offer you cannot turn down. I'll triple the money, and I'll get you a
Dear.
Toyota RAV4.
Dear,
I promise to go to your car.
sente mmeka?
Please help me on this.
Ngenda kutambula butandi mbuze ndeko wano n'omusajja.
No matter what happens, I'm not
Okubuulira
giving up.
mazima.
Okay.
Era banange
I can never. I can never give
for
up.
dirhams. Ngenda kujja nkuwe sente oba kale kaneefule nga agenda ogenda mu kiyigo. Sigenda kudda wano n'omusajja amanyiira. Oba story mwagiraba ya Volvate simanyi naye omusajja ono amanyiira. Alemerako alemezaamu ekizibu kye balina bamanyira okukwata ku baana abawala. Yono bibi mbikomezaawo bamanyira okukwata ku baana abawala ku matu kati ne Volvate amanyi agenda kukola kikulemezaamu ate naye kati ali mukweka kupaka mwingine okuddayo seba alina empaka n'omusajja amanyira n'omusajja amanyira ngenda kuwambawo sente amwekole ki
Better accept this gift and take it and go back to her. I know you can do it.
You know what I wanted to see? I want you to count this money.
The money is not
I
my
want
problem.
you to confirm
The money is not my
whether
problem.
it is the
I
right
trust
amount.
you cannot do anything. Leave about the money. It's not my problem. I want her to accept this gift. Anyhow you know you do it, do it.
Should I take this as my payment?
This is not for you. Like I can transfer to you right now.
But you said you are going to compensate me for all the beatings.
No problem for that one. Like I said earlier on, the amount you spent, tell me, and if you want the cash now, I'll pay you now.
Pay it to me and then I go.
No, I'm not paying
If
you.
you
I'm
get
not
from here,
paying you off.
Get
No,
it from here.
I'm not paying you off. I'm paying you so that you go back and finish what you started.
I have to finish what I started.
Yes, I have to. Because he promised to us. In fact, he gave me hope.
I have
He
to
made
finish
me
what I
believe.
started.
Yes, you have to. Seriously, you have to. You have to finish it up.
No way. Sajja to Kingsley.
I'm not letting that lady go.
Then how do you see if you go there yourself?
First of all, you go
Okay,
first.
why do
then
you
I will
fear
go-
her?
I will go.
Why do
and
you
then
fear her?
I
Why
don't
don't you go there yourself?
I show her respect. I don't fear her, but I respect her.
Okay, let me tell you something. Maybe you're not understanding.
Okay, tell me.
This lady reported me to Dubai police. Okay?
And did they arrest you?
They called me.
Did they arrest you?
Wait, they called
No,
me that
did
day.
they arrest you?
I did
Because
not go
the
there.
December, remember?
They put a travel
remember-
ban on me.
No,
Okay?
remember I
Then
handled the
I
issue.
went to. Sorry?
I handled the issue. I handled the issue already. It's been sorted out already. I caught someone that fixed everything. So you can travel anytime you want to travel, no issue.
I don't
In fact,
understand what you're saying.
even
but
if you want,
Mr. Kingsley,
any day you want to travel, I will take you to airport myself. I will call my driver.
I don't want to
driver
act
take
as
you
an enemy to you. Let me tell you
No,
something.
no, don't worry about that.
They called me. I didn't go there. Okay? The next day, they called me.
Remember I told you.
And
it
what
has
I
been
realized,
fixed.
they had put a travel ban on me.
I said you can travel.
Okay.
You want to travel tomorrow?
I tried my best.
Do you want to travel tomorrow?
No,
I can book a ticket
she
for you
already,
first class.
No, she already, you know, brother.
If you want to
you
travel
can do
tomorrow,
anything you
I
want,
can get you a first class
as long
ticket
as it's
tomorrow.
not about telling me, going back to that woman.
No, I have to.
She's now,
From what I think, maybe you got angry with her. That's why she fought you.
so you're putting it on me. Eh?
Yeah, I think so.
You're putting
Maybe
it on
you
me.
said something wrong to her.
You're putting it on me.
Because
Eh?
she's a calm person. Yeah, she might
She's a
look
calm
tough. Yeah,
person.
she's a calm
Volvate,
person.
eh?
Yeah,
Is a compassion.
she might look tough, but she's calm. Believe me, seriously, I followed her for long. I don't just love her today.
Didn't you
no.
watch the video? Who was the first person to beat?
Maybe
The
say,
other.
you know, I don't really understand your language. Maybe you say something to her that might anger her.
Kano musajja kati amanyira bumanyirizi busimala na provoking
She's a very
Volvate.
quiet and
Mukati
responsible
simangu
person.
mukazi aliko ekisimali.
And like I said before,
Mwabali balaba
I
bali
am
ku
not
video
giving-
abali
I'm
balaba
not
mwabali balaba bali
giving
ku
up.
video abali balaba ani asoko kuba munne Volvate si asoko kunkuba kyamaanyi kyawo kye namugamba ekyali kiswazo oba ekyali kimalabu oba ekyali kinyiiza kye nagamba Volvate natandikirawo okunkuba.
I don't want another lady. I want only her. And that is final. If you want, I can give you a check now or I'll make transfer to you. ×3.
Waliwo
Right
emmere
now.
waliwo egundi waliwo essente ezitaliika.
You're the woman. I believe
Chengendo
you know the
kola.
soft spot in her. To
ngenda
get
kati
her.
ngenda kukozesa bwongo n'omusajja just alina akamanyiro n'akajanja ngenda kukozesa bwongo sitwala ssente ze. Now Mr. Kingsley,
Yeah.
you said that we shall go back,
Yes. Sure.
you and I,
We'll go back.
okay?
Yeah.
So right now, don't give me any payment. So when we are done, that's when you give me all my money, okay? Don't care about the medical bills, or I already showed you. Don't care about anything.
I
So
said for the bills, I will pay.
since you
You want
insisting,
the bill now? I'll give you the money right now for the bill.
no, don't give me any money. What you're going to do is, since you said you need me to go back with you, so I'm going to leave these gifts with you.
No, you take it.
Then
keep
when
it.
you're
keep,
ready
you keep the
to
gift.
go for her,
You keep
I'll
the
come
gift.
and
You keep the gift. Keep the gift. And I think we should get other items to join with this.
Okay, what is going to happen if I say I don't want to go with you?
No,
Or if I say no, what will happen if I say I don't want?
No, you will.
No, if I say I don't want,
You will.
I'm traveling to my country tomorrow.
No, you
because she already removed the ban on me. I want to go tomorrow to my country.
You cannot go tomorrow.
I may either come back or do not come back.
You cannot go tomorrow.
But why do you force
and
things?
Don't even try my contact because I can
I
put a call and they will never let you pass that place.
Ati gwe omuntu asobola okosa omuntu ku mpaka. Abasajja nga bano nsanga mugenze. Anyway, what I'm going to do, let me first clear the bills over there. Yes, let me first clear the bills over there. Then I'll come. We conclude with this. Okay?
Don't be scared. There's anything, I'm ready to play by it. And like I always tell you, I'm a titled man. So
let me clear my bills. No problem. I'm going to come back. Chimanyira. Nana agaseje nagabogo. Bi amasoko je katono. Kazi gani setemeka? What did Hamza? Kumacho gendo kola. Sigina kumoja sina kukena kwata zino sente. Eteni gisigaze. Kuja simulikawo yamanyize koze ki. Kitadde. Kitadde.
Who is there? Maybe she's not coming back. Oh, God. This lady has run away. Why is she filming me? I need to go and handle my work. I'll do it by myself. Let me take my gift. God, I will do it.
Ze okwanjulira ebizigo ebimanyiddwa nga Nyondo Glim. Onako olwaleero njagadde okutwala omukisa guno okubalaga akazigo omukyala wange kakozesa nange olwaleero nkimyeyo akange nkagezesa endabe. Saagala badde babalimbe ate mwesiige ebikola by'amapaapaali simanya mwesiige essukaali mukola ggulo kano ke kakola ggulo. Tumwagire Nyondo Glim osobola okubakubira ku simu namba 052 46807778 olwo ojja kuba omufunye bakola ne deliveries kuggwe ali mu kiyumba oba ali ewala. Nyondo Glim ajja kuba kutuukako. Mubere bulungi.